Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about what is fire rock. Now, fire rock is a term that's used in many different ways, and some companies sell a type of rock and they just put a candle in the middle of it and they call it a fire rock. There's other companies that actually take the pumice that is used from the lava fields, and it was once on fire, and they turn it into a fireplace, and it's supposed to be the best material possible for a fireplace, and they call it fire rock because it can get really hot and it doesn't hurt it, and it uses a lot of the heat efficiently. And so pumice is sometimes called fire rock. There's other companies that take rocks and they will take a propane burner and burn the rock, and it makes beautiful designs. It's just gorgeous, and they call that fire rock. And now the trend too in outside living is to have a fire pit. But the fire pit actually has a rock on top that heats up, and you can actually cook your hamburgers and your vegetables right on the rock, and they call it a fire rock. So there's many, many terms that are used for fire rock, but they're all beautiful, and they're also a great addition to your garden.